you would have heard of Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion says that action and reaction are equal and opposite. And it is on this that the whole definition of stress is dependent. For example, if we talk about a body on which an external load is applied, if an external load is applied on a body, two things are going to happen. The first one is it will be going through deformation, and the second thing is that it is going to resist that force which is coming on it. So basically, stress is internal resistance force per unit cross section area. You can see in the diagram further. Now stress is denoted by the word sigma. The resistance force, that is denoted by the word P, you can see over here, and the cross sectional area is denoted by the word A. Now stress is having a unit which is called as Newton per mm square. Force is denoted in Newton and area or the cross sectional area is denoted in mm square. So you can see here the area is denoted by Newton per mm square or kilonewton per meter square. It is also denoted in megapascal. 1 megapascal is 1 Newton per mm square and 1 Pascal is 1 Newton per meter square. These all units are very important because once you will start solving the numericals, you will have to do a proper unit conversion, because if a part is in meter and the other calculations are done in millimeter, then the whole numerical will go wrong. Let us move further. There is one numerical, so let us solve it. A load of 20 kilonewton is to be raised with the help of steel wire. Find minimum diameter of wire if the stress is not to exceed 80 Newton per mm square. First, I'll be writing the given data. The first thing given is the load, which is P. It is given in 20 kilonewton. I need to do the conversion, so I'll be converting it into Newton. So 20 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Next, the thing which is given is the stress, which is denoted by sigma, and it is given 80 Newton per mm square. What I need to do is that I need to find out the diameter of the wire. So D is equal to what? Let us move further. If I apply the formula for stress, the stress is force upon area. Stress is given which is 80 and force is given as 10 into 10 raised to 3 divided by A. So I will get finally area. Area is 125 mm square. Since I have received the area, you know area of a bar or a cylinder is pi by 4 d square. So I'll be writing area is pi by 4 d square. So 125 is equal to pi divided by 4 d square. So I'll get d as 12.61 mm. So finally this is what I wanted to find out. Diameter is 12.61. Now let us solve one numerical. A load of 10 kilonewton is to be raised with the help of a steel wire. Find the minimum diameter of the wire if stress is not to exceed 80 Newton per mm square. The first thing I'll be doing is that I'll be writing down the given data. So let us start. The load is given P, that is 10 kilonewton. Like I said, you need to do the conversions first. So I'll convert it into Newton. So 10 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Next thing given is stress. So I'll write down sigma is equal to 80 Newton per mm square. What I've been told to do is that I need to find out the diameter of the wire. So D is equal to what? Let us solve it. Now you know the formula. Stress is equal to force upon area. Stress given is 80 and force, I did the conversion, 10 into 10 raised to 3 divided by area. So I'll find out the area. Area is 125 mm square. From area I can easily find out the diameter of the wire. So area is equal to pi by 4 d square. 125 is equal to pi by 4 d square. So I can easily find out the area. D is equal to, which is given, you will find out as 12.61 mm.